With technology advancing at an incredible pace over the last decade, things once perceived to be futuristic are now part of our everyday lives. This is the journey of HSC, beginning in 2005. It evolved with new technologies and progressed with excellence in harnessing the power of legacy technologies. Year 2006 was the year of WiMAX, a technology that created value for our clients and made a startup proud of its work. 2008-2009 saw changes in the external environment with challenges not only in technology but on the business front as well. 2008 marked the first smartphone launch using Android. This was followed by the automotive technology, telematics. 2011 saw the influx of LTE, long-term evolution, and smartphone-triggered evolution. 2012 witnessed the rise of SDR, software-defined radio. With 2013-14 came the evolution of CDN, Content Delivery Network, and over-the-top TV, fueling a rise in video streaming business and video delivery on the internet. With our roots firmly in place in the USA and Gurgaon, we spread our wings with offices across oceans in UK, Dubai, South Korea, and most recently, Bengaluru. 2015-16 saw the beginning of the next level of telematics, Wi-Fi, 5G, IoT, some of the technologies that will continue defining the future. It all started with a dream.
10 years is a long time, but it doesn't seem so, because we look forward to being at HSC every single day. We started with a vision of building an organization with a very strong cultural fabric woven around openness, respect for each other, trust, and integrity. And I'm proud to say that we have not just built a company, we have built an institution which is well regarded and respected across the industry for its value system and work ethos. It was not that the journey was straight and simple. In fact, it was quite challenging. The world went through the worst economic downturn in the recorded history. We also got impacted. The management team at HSC buffered the shock and shielded the rest of the organization.
We wanted to create a company that provides international quality services in emerging technologies from India. We call ourselves a company that provides product realization services to international customers around the world. When we started the company, WiMAX and IMS were the emerging technologies. Unfortunately, WiMAX did not stand the market and IMS got delayed. The downturn was severe and could have been fatal to a young company like ours. But the credibility of the founding team with the customer base helped us bounce back to our feet. We have customers in over 10 countries spanning 4 continents. We have established our brand as a high-quality R&D services provider.
Our technology has evolved into 4 key focus areas today. We are focused around connected devices, the Internet of Things, around wireless that powers connected devices, on multimedia, which represents the entire entertainment industry as technology focuses into IP-based streaming, network infrastructure that deals with big data, high scalable data, and analytics on top of it. So if you look at it, these are very niche areas that only very specific companies with significant domain depth can go ahead and implement. And I'm very proud to be part of this team where we have built together skills which are constantly changing, and we are working with leading OEMs in the world in all of these areas, which make us extremely different from almost every other services company that I know of in India today that are doing generic services.
In the initial years, we had very good growth rate. We grew up to $17 million just in 3 years. After that, there was a global meltdown, and the financial crisis led to complete slowdown in the economies across the globe. In 2009, our revenues contracted to around $13 million. And after that, we've been on a steady growth path. And for the past 4-5 years, we've been growing at CAGR of 10%. And for the year 2015, we closed at revenues of over $22 million. I believe we're on a steady growth path and improved profit margin to create value for all our stakeholders.
Our partners in growth.
Since inception, customer centricity has been a major focus. We have a formal CSAT process in place, which is managed by an independent quality group. They take regular feedback from the customers. 3 years back, we started a customer experience management function to manage the customer experience over the entire journey. We are launching Voice of Customer to track customer feedback from different sources and to be able to analyze them at a single place. Over the last 3 years, majority of our customers have been rating us highly satisfied. We are striving toward achieving a delighted customer.
We've worked together on numerous projects from TerraStar and now all the different MECSAT GMR13G stacks and projects features, as well as Global Star for quite a while. We've been much closer teammates together. We've had HSC engineers on site rotating through on projects. We do design together, and in general I think we look at the HSC team very fondly because they are part of our team.
It has been great working with HSC engineers. We've worked on a number of projects and they've all been very successful.
Over the past 5 years, and HSC is far and above the best that I've worked with. They're more professional, more competent. They are able to get onboard employees and get them up to speed and contributing to your project faster than any other group that I've worked with.
Accolades tell our story.
Right from beginning, our focus has been to follow industry standards for our quality management system and information security management system. We started institutionalizing these practices, and as a result, we got certified for ISO 9001 and ISO 27001 within a span of 3 years. We brought in the high maturity practices in the company, and in year 2009 we got appraised successfully for CMI level 3, and in year 2012 for CMI level 5. With our technology strengths, we have deservingly earned industry respected awards and accolades. The latest being the Excellence Award 2015 for security and IT services.
People who made it possible.
When we started off, the software business was relatively easy. But with the events of 2009 onwards, the market changed significantly. As an organization, we learned how to deal with risks, how to take bold, innovative decisions, and also how to adapt as events unfolded, sometimes not as how we predicted. As an individual, my biggest challenge was to put together my team. And I'm proud to say that the team I have today is as good as any organization that I've seen. They're a group of self-driven, bold, and tenacious individuals who achieve more with less resources.
I remember when I joined HSC, we were just a bunch of guys who would get together and put in all their ideas together. A multi-core architecture that was evolving at a time, to many complex software systems, and to working on some of the technologies for which standards are yet to be published. I've seen it all in this decade. The other great thing in this decade that happened was the freedom that HSC gave me. From manager to individual contributor, to a guest speaker in a university, to a programmer, to a technical lead. I've done it all.
I've been working with Hughes since 1997 and with HSC since 2007. The best part about the company is that it puts its employees and customers on highest priority. All the support functions collaborated to bring out the best for customer as well as employees.
We believe in creating a knowledge world through our ongoing program, Mining Future Prodigies. Parivartan.
Parivartan has been HSC's CSR initiative that we have nurtured right from our inception days, and the focus areas that we try to contribute our bit to are healthcare, education and environment conservation.
It's our life, the HSC way.
I have been associated with HSC right from 2006. I have had the privilege to conceptualize and implement most of the HR policies. While all these policies serve a business purpose, the key focus or the common thread in all of them is the employee. My belief is simple. Great customer experience cannot be delivered until and unless we have employees who are well treated, inspired, motivated, empowered, and developed. It is for this reason we service our employees with as much customer centricity as we service our external customers.
It's my 7th year with HSC. People move when they either get bored or stagnant. I haven't felt either. I've only seen myself grow professionally here, and that is exactly what has made me stick with HSC.
HSC has played a very pivotal role in my growth. The culture here is very transparent. It has helped me transform from an individual player to a team player. Personally, I found my life partner over here. It has been a good, memorable 8 years for me.
I've grown from a naive campus recruit to a mentor, from stupid questions to meaningful brainstorming discussions. My relationship with HSC has grown stronger and stronger with each passing day.
I love working at HSC because it's a family to me.
I get credit for my work.
It has a nurturing environment.
The team here is like a family.
It gives me positive vibes.
It encourages me to evolve and grow.
It lets me work on the technologies I want to.
Communicating and deliberating with like-minded professionals across the social media enables us to learn and grow further.
Going forward, I have great hopes. With the kind of exceptional team we have, I think sky is the limit. With all the exciting and interesting things happening in our industry, we are rightly placed to take advantage of the opportunities to take HSC forward to newer heights.
The future's here. Let's shape it together.